And this does have a little bit of a hook echo. You can see that rain that's starting to wrap around. This is moving to the northeast at 45 miles an hour. So here are the areas that will be impacted by this thunderstorm as it lifts off to the northeast. Again, that area of circulation that's popping up is literally almost right over Van Buren. Now, again, this is a radar indicated tornado, meaning no tornado touching the ground as of yet. That might change as this storm is continuing to move into a favorable environment. This is looking off to the southwest. Now, this is from Eric Fussell, one of our photographers, that's very close to the Mountainburg area off of I-49. Now, we also have our WeatherBug network camera, which has a little bit better of a view of this storm. Let's bring that up on Weather 1, and you'll be able to see that. Bringing up Weather 1, and this is our WeatherBug network camera from Alma. So we're looking to the west from Alma. Here's the thunderstorm. Here's a live look at the Alma WeatherBug network camera where that rotation is. Tornado warning goes until 4:15. Right now it's 3:59. Storm's moving at about 45 miles an hour. Van Buren, you're almost in the clear, except for eastern Van Buren. Fort Smith, you don't have anything to worry about anymore. North of Rudy, and there's a little bit of a circulation there. You can definitely see that hook, and this is close enough to the radar where we would be able to see that. Now, what the hook echo means is the rain starting to wrap around the circulation a little bit, so you have basically a very large circulation. You've got the rain that's beginning to wrap around, so if there was going to be a tornado, it would be very close to Eric Fussell, our video photojournalist. There's that area of circulation. Let me go ahead and plot some of these roads on here so you know exactly where this is at. So we'll start off with Mountainburg, on the southwest side of Mountainburg. So we've got a couple of county roads, some rural roads. Right now it's Lancaster Road. Looks to be the area that's being impacted on the 96 to 9900 block just to the west of I-49. So if there is a tornado, that's where it would be touching down. Let me kind of pan off to the east here and we'll get maybe a good look. I know that we're going to start to encounter, oh, man, look at that wall cloud, Melissa. Very low-hanging wall cloud.
I just saw a traffic notification sign, a text sign that was blown over. So that's some pretty heavy winds that blow that over. And
why don't we bring up, if we can, a 2-box, so we always leave the radar on. But Mountainburg, you need to be taking your tornado precautions. Now, a new warning has been issued for this tornado warning, and that does include eastern and southeastern Washington County, as well as southwestern Madison County. So we're also broadcasting all this coverage on Facebook Live, just to let you know. But here's a look at the radar. Here's a look at the storm on Live WeatherBug Network, and this is Cartwright Mountain. This is where that tornado would be, obviously shrouded in rain. We're looking off to the southwest, so if there is anything, it would be possibly rain-wrapped or even behind this. There's a look at the Fayetteville area. Here's the tornado warning. You can see how that's southeast of there. There's the isolated supercell. The area of rotation is over Lake Fort Smith Road. That's lifting to the northeast. Again, a radar possibly confirmed tornado. Haven't seen them change the look of the polygon, which would indicate that they actually do have a TDS. But again, that TDS stands for tornado debris signature. It's the radar saying, you know what, there's a bunch of stuff that's all up. There it is. Okay, TDS just issued. So you can see that this is a radar confirmed tornado. So in fact, this is a tornado that is touched down, that there is debris, there is a signature, and then we're able to see that on the radar. So just literally, as I was talking about that radar debris signature.
There is confirmed damage, obviously.
Okay, we actually have a shot of that damage that Melissa talked about. Here's a look, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, here is confirmed damage of the tornado. Yeah, you can clearly see that car that's overturned. Now, this is I-49. So this is literally right where Eric was very close to being at. And we also could see the clouds. And, yeah, look at that. There's a pole that's bent over, a street sign. So it does look like, no doubt, we had a tornado come through the Mountainburg area. Strong circulation, radar confirmed. You can see the debris on radar. Okay, so we've got more damage video. This is a video coming in from the same photographer, Eric, who is located in the Mountainburg area where we had a confirmed tornado. Let's check out that damage video, and we'll bring that up full. And so, again, this is all brand new. Some trees that were knocked down and snapped and some uprooted. Taking a look at what's happening southwest of Japton impressive circulation, take your tornado precautions. When we say that, here's what we mean by that. You want to get downstairs, under something, center a house, keep away from windows. This is all the information, and it very well could save your life if you're in the path of that storm in Japton. So under something, get in between, underneath a piece of furniture or a helmet. If the kids have helmets, put those on. Center of house. Keep away from windows. That's how you spell out the word duck, and there's tornado safety. Mobile homes, you can't even do duck with them. You got to get out of mobile homes. That is not a good idea. Get into a sturdy structure.